So this is what they say is official MotoGP track. I don't know what the fuck that means, but basically difficulty level 3 here out of 5. And let's see, 40 horsepower, baby rip. Who the fuck knows what this track is? I tried the difficulty level, what was that? I tried difficulty level 4 and I ate it there. I just ate it hard. I was like, yeah, that's why I need a helmet. Holy fuck, this is a lot of rust. It's a nice straight line here, but holy fuck, it's rust. Just gotta fucking deal with them somehow. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat it here too. I hope nobody gonna jump over my head. No, over my head is fine, as long as it's not into my head. Well, I have helmet. That should be good. Holy fuck, this rust. What the fuck? Some of the jumps here are violent. Moving 40 miles an hour, half throttle. Oh my god. I just met two guys, they said the faster you go, the easier it gets. I'm like, alright. I don't think I'm gonna do that. He's doing like a little baby jump. Oh, that'd be a nice jump. Like, there's just rust, they're like everywhere. I guess that's what all moto guys, racers are dealing with. There's just fucking rust. And you kind of have to try to, I don't know. Look at him! Look at him! Oh my god, I almost ate it. Oh yeah, this is the guy that was giving me advice. I like stopped next to them and was like, hey, how not to kill yourself? And they're like, well, gave me a few advices. And essentially one of the advices is go faster. Because the faster you go, the easier it gets. Holy fuck. Alright, we're moving through the start-finish gate. It keeps speed. And that was a mile track. 1 mile track. Holy fuck, this rust. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Here, please don't jump over my head. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Why he's staying behind me, I don't know. Why he's staying behind me? There we go. Thank you, my man, for staying behind me only for half track. Holy fuck, did you see that jump? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck! Jesus Christ! There's like a jump into a turn, and this is another jump into a turn, kinda. I'm not fucking sure what the fuck is happening, but this is a little, definitely fucking too much fun. I can tell you that, and I can tell you that you guys gotta fucking buy a Sargwark or something that allowed on this track. Because this is fucking way too cool. Like MotoGP track? What the fuck? We're on a MotoGP track. Fuck that. Fuck that. Oh my god. this rock, like, gotta fucking learn how to land into this rock. I definitely feel like I need bigger wheels than these. Well, or I guess faster speed, according to that dude. What the fuck, alright. Let's do another lap. See anything with the little wheelie? Holy fuck. Oh my god, this rock. Holy fuck, how they turn there, I don't know. Holy fuck. It's a little too steep entrance in the berm. Oh my god, almost cleared that. Oh my god. No, this is too much fun, guys. This is too much fun. And I got already an arm pump like motherfucker, like fucking A. I'm definitely doing something wrong. Definitely doing it. This rut. I'm kind of sandy if whatever the fuck is that. They say today is a little more slippery than normal. Honestly, it grips alright. It's just this rut. Holy fuck! 40 miles an hour. Oh fuck, that's a little too steep entrance to the berm. And I'm on in the lead. Holy fuck! Well, I'm not in the lead, but holy fuck! Holy fuck! Oh my god! How do you like fucking turn here after the fucking jump? Because to clear the jump, or you need to be going like fucking 45 miles an hour. I was going only 40. Holy fuck! MotoGP! Holy fuck! Let's see if I do proper entrance. No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't do proper entrance. Fucking hey! Jesus Christ! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jeez! Woo! Holy fuck! Fuck that! Fuck that! Fuck that! I'm probably jumping like 1 inch, but because of the fucking speed, it just feels nuts. It just feels nuts. Holy fuck! I gotta fucking bail out before I hurt myself. This is intense. This is intense. Holy fuck! Holy fuck!